Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about Now2trade and their current withdrawal issues. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I have 38 subscribers. I'm very grateful to the 38 subscribers. As you can see, I have great content. I have good videos in my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And without wasting your time, please let's move to the video. So today like around 6 o'clock in the evening today, I got this message on the Telegram group, Now2trade Telegram group. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So today I got this message. Now2trade said, Now2trade official announcement, dear users, our website is under attack by the Russian, which has a lot of impact on our services. We are moving our servers to another. This process will be takes 5 to 6 days. We will give service non-stopped. Connection sites will be alive. Sincerely, Now2trade management team. As you can see, like, I don't even know what to say about this. Like, I don't know if this program, this Now2trade stuff is a scam, or I don't even know, because the message you can even read, they said which has also of impact. Like, what does that even mean, for God's sake? And you can see their grammatical spelling also is rubbish. They said the process will be takes 5 to 6 days. Nonsense. To me, I don't even know, because I'm not the only one actually. Like, I have over $1,000 there that is actually stuck. I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, let me log into my account. Sorry, I'll pause. So guys, I've been able to log into my account. As you can see, I have like over 1,400 on Now2trade too. So I have been trying to withdraw my funds. I don't even know. Like, I've been as you can see this one here. Withdrawal request created. It was not approved. I didn't see my coin. I've been trying to withdraw, and I don't even know. Like, everything has been like decline. I'm even thinking this I don't even know. God will punish them. God will punish them actually, because this $1,000 no be small money now, and they can just they just wish that they can just be doing someone's money like that anyhow. Well, so guys, in today's video, I want to share you guys another opportunity that can earn you a lot, even more than this rubbish Now2trade. So what I want to share with you guys today is this platform. It's a really nice platform. So guys, in this platform is called Expertnet. Actually, this Expertnet platform is for selling digital products. Like, see, it's a learn a network of high performing affiliates, help you connect millions of paying customers. Then they say, what will they do? They say Expertnet is a digital marketplace where we help creators of digital products get more sales and connect with more customers via our platform and network of high performing affiliates. As you can see, they've sold over 100,000 products and they have over 30,000 affiliates. Wow, this is really this is better than Now2trade. As you can see, their platform is even nice, and everything is very dope. So right now in today's video, even go say, like, to testify to this platform, I actually registered about 2 weeks ago. So to my surprise, actually, like, I've been able to make sales, and this thing is actually surprising me, because I'm going to show you guys a proof of how I've been able to make sales. As you can see, like, I've been able to make 3 sales, and this was 49,000 naira, and they sent this money to me like instantly. Like, let me show you guys proof. So as you can see, this is from Expertnet. They say, hello Tal Abdugeni, you've received a payment of 29,000, total sales 49,000. And as you can see, I've been able to, the payment was sent to my bank directly. So this is a proof that this platform, they pays, and they are more trustworthy than this Now2trade of a thing. And the funniest thing is that I'm not the only one getting this type of results. Like, there's this group, my support group, my private support group, that I'm going to add you to, you guys, to if you want to learn more about this platform. As you can see, there's this girl there, Miriam. She said she keep getting sales. Second sale today, she has even made 2 sales in one day. 2 sales in one day, that is crazy. She made 3 sales. As you can see, like she don't even know what to say again. Like, she's making sales consistently. See, you say and this came in a few minutes ago. She's just making sales every day. And for you guys to be assured, me too, like, I tried this platform and I've been able to make sales too. As you can see, 3 sales is not bad. It's not bad. And this is 29, and it was sent to my account, not some now to trade rubbish. It was sent to my account directly. See, 29,000, and this is Access Bank confirming the transaction. So guys, the offer I have for you guys today is that if you want to learn the exact step, all the things I did to get these sales, there's a link in the description section of this video. That first link, you guys have to click it to connect with me, so I can I can show you the exact steps on how I was able to make these 3 sales. I will give you my templates, like everything, all that I've done to make the sales, like, and how those people are making sales. So I'll give you the templates. You guys can just implement and copy and just make your own sales within the next 24 hours. Then I will add you to my private support group, whereby, like, I get to, like, hold your hands and teach you everything on how to make sales on this platform. So I don't know if you are interested. Like, I don't know if everybody is not everybody that likes money. Some people can, I don't know. So if you are interested in this offer, click the link in the description section below. It is free. Click the link in the description section below. Like, I'm giving this offer out because I can see that a lot of people are struggling with Now2trade nowadays. So right now, I think this is the best way I can use to help you guys. But if you guys are not interested, please just go. Like, I don't want any rubbish. Just click the link in the description section below to get the training if you are interested. Thank you. Bye bye.